So this formula is most useful when you know all these things. What do we know? We know z, we know mu, we know sigma. It's x we don't know. I'm pretty sure I did this with you once before, but how do I solve this for x? How do we solve it for x? Multiply. Remember, the beautiful thing about solving equations is if there's something I don't like about it, I can kill it. I don't like fractions, Jeff. I don't like it. All right, then kill the thing. Kill it. Dead. All right. Sorry, my algebra is very Game of Thrones-ish. And then, of course, what do I do to get x by itself? Add the mean. So I get x. So if I add the mean, blah, 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 I get mu plus z sigma. So if I want to convert from x to z, I use this. And if I want to convert from z to x, I use the same formula, just solved for x already. So can you convert negative 1.8 z-score back to a minutes, back to a raw score? What do we know? What's the mean? 33.64. What's the z-score? Yeah, so I want to start at the mean and I want to go down this many standard deviations. That's what negative 1.8 z-score means, right? It's 1.08 standard deviations below the mean. 1.8 of these below that. And then whatever the shit that is. It's like 44 something. No, Jeff, you went the wrong way again. 24 something. Yes?
Can you show the 14th percentile on the chart?
Oh, yeah, of course. I can do that again. So, percentages are here, right? So 0.14, the closest I can get is right there. Now, I've said this before, and I'll say this a few more times. Areas look like z-scores. So I'm almost certain, you don't have to admit to this, but I'm almost certain somebody looked up 0.14 and thought that that number had something to do with this problem. That has zero to do with this problem because 0.14 is not a z-score in this problem. It's an area. So that's why I try to get you guys, I'm pretty sure I've said this before, areas go up here, z-scores go down there. And why? Because I'm telling you to? Because you got to do it for me? No, it's because it's being nice to yourself. Do you have to do that? No. You can be mean to yourself if you want to. I'm already mean. Why do you want to be mean too? I don't know. Okay. So let's see. What did you guys get for that? 24. Point.
1.
What? 2. 5. You guys are weird. How long did it take you to find a part? 24.125 minutes. All right, that's good. I like it. So, here we go. Now I'm going to shut up for a while. Thank God, right? And let you guys... Did I even bring it with me? That would be useful. Did I bring it with me? No. All right. Let me go get this sheet. I guess I left it back in the printer. I'll be right back. Thank God it's not the other side of campus. Yeah, okay. I'm going to leave this running so I can hear what you guys say about it. No.